Hey all, welcome to Technic HD. Question number 01. What is mean by 1 ton of refrigeration? Answer. It is the rate of heat transfer that results in the freezing or melting of 1 short ton, 2000 lb or 907 kg, of pure ice at 0 degrees C, 32 degrees F, in 24 hours. Question number 02. What is refrigeration cycle? Answer. A basic refrigeration cycle consists of evaporator, compressor, condenser, expansion. Beginning of the cycle at the evaporator inlet, the low-pressure liquid expands, absorbs heat, and evaporates, changing to a low-pressure gas at the evaporator outlet. Compressor compress the low-pressure gas to high pressure and high temperature and pump down to condenser. In the condenser, heat is removed from the gas, which then condenses and becomes a high-pressure liquid. Between the condenser and the evaporator an expansion device is located. As high-pressure liquid enters and evaporates due to differential pressure to low-pressure and low-temperature liquid. This low-pressure, low-temperature liquid circulate into evaporator coils. Question number 3. What is chiller? How many types of chillers available? What are they? Answer. Industrial chillers are classified as a refrigeration system that cools a process fluid or dehumidifies air in commercial and industrial facilities. A chiller will use either a vapor compression or absorption cycle to cool. A chiller capacity ranges from 1 to 1000 tr. There are 3 different types of chillers: sad phase, 1, air, 2, water, and 3, evaporative condensed chiller. Mostly air-cooled and water-cooled will be used. There are 4 subcategories in each of the above categories for industrial chillers: 1, reciprocating, 2, centrifugal, 3, screw-driven, 4, and absorption chillers. Form of VRF is variable refrigeration flow. These ductless units varies the refrigeration flow to the indoor units based on load demands. Question number 5. What is the difference between VRF and VRV? Answer. VRF and VRV, variable refrigerant volume, both are same technologies which varies the flow of refrigerants. VRV term registered by Daikin as their trademark term. Question number 6. What is mean by ref nets in VRF system? Answer. These are Y-shaped structure used to vary the refrigerant flow. Question number 7. What is mean by 2-way and 3-way valves in chilled water piping? Answer. 2-way valve having 2 ports, inlet and outlet. It modulate the flow of water depending on load. 3-way valve having 3 ports and it also modulates the flow of water based on demands, but this valve is used on constant flow requirement industries. Question number 8. TR to kW conversion. Answer. 1 TR is equal to 3.15 kW. Question number 9. How much GPM water flow is required for ITR of chiller in and chilled water system? Answer. 2.4 GPM. Question number 10. Formula to calculate efficiency of pump. Answer. Efficiency of pump equals GPM x head, in feet, x specific gravity of water, 3960 x bhp. Question number 11. How many chilled water circulation pumps used in chillers? Answer. Primary pumps and secondary pumps. Question number 11. What is primary pump and secondary pumps in chilled water system? Answer. Primary pump moves water from IDU units to chillers. Secondary pumps moves water from chiller to indoor units. Question number 12. What is the use of Y strainer? Answer. Y strainers are devices for mechanically removing unwanted solids from liquid, gas or steam lines by means of a perforated or wire mesh straining element. Question number 12. What is mean by static pressure in the HVAC ducting? Answer. Static pressure refers to the resistance to airflow in duct work connected to AHU, MAU units. The push of the air must be greater than the resistance to the flow or no air will circulate through the ducts. Static pressure is an IMP parameter to select the blower of AHU units. Question number 13. What is mean by dry bulb and wet bulb temperature? Answer. Dry bulb, usually same as air temperature. Wet bulb temperature. Wet bulb temperature can be measured by using a thermometer with the bulb wrapped in wet muslin. The adiabatic evaporation of water from the thermometer bulb referred as wet bulb temperature, and it will be lower than the dry bulb temperature, in the air. When dry bulb and wet bulb temperature are same, then relative humidity to be considered as 100%. Question number 14. What are the requirements for selecting AHU? Answer. Major criterias to be considered while selecting AHU are total heat load, kind of application, for kitchen, commercial etc., airflow, stick pressure. Question number 15. Why we should provide U-trap to drain and HVAC equipments? Answer. The primary purpose of a condensate trap is to prevent air from moving in or out of the coil box or air handler during operation. Traps must be installed in a manner that will stop the air from passing through, but still allow the condensate to drain smoothly. End traps to be used for cassette units. Question number 16. What are the types of duct pressure testing? As per SMACNA, duct leakage testing instrument to be used for checking the leakages. Question number 17. Which is more efficient, water-cooled or air-cooled chillers? Answer. Water-cooled chillers. Question number 18. What is comfort cooling temperature as per ASHRAE? Answer. 23 plus or 1. Question number 19. What is the pressure to be holded for chilled water piping? Answer. 1.5 times of design pressure. For example, pressure testing to be done for 100 mm dye pipe with design pressure 4 bar. Then actual pressure to be holded as is 1.5 x 4 is equal to 6 bar. Question number 20. How much time chilled water pressure to be hold? Answer. 12 to 24 hours. Question number 21. What is mean by precision air condition? Where it is used? Answer. In most server rooms, close control air conditioning systems, also known as PAC precision air conditioning systems, are installed. These systems control temperature, humidity and particle filtration within tight tolerances 24 hours a day and can be remotely monitored. Question number 22. How much CFM for TR and general commercial applications? Answer. 250-400 CFM. Question number 23. What is mean by CFM? Answer. Cubic feet per minute. Question number 24. What instrument is used to measure air during air balancing? Answer. Anemometer, bolometer. Question number 25. Which instrument is used to measure dry bulb and wet bulb? Answer. Physkrometer. Question number 26. Which instrument is used to measure differential pressure? Answer. Manometer, pitted tube. Question number 27. Which instrument is used to measure temperature? Answer. Thermometer. Question number 28. How much pressure to be holded in VRF piping? 500 psi. Question number 29. Why flushing will be done in VRF copper piping before connecting to units? Answer. To remove brazing or soldering slur, loose particle etc. Question number 30. How to remove moisture inside the refrigerant piping? Answer. By vacuumization. Question number 31. Methods to check the welding quality in chilled water piping. Answer. 1. Radiography and ultrasonic weld testing method. 2. Peel testing of spot welds. Question number 32. How many stages of flushing to be done in chilled water piping? Answer. The flushing and chemical cleaning of chilled water piping system comprises of 6 stages. Static flushing, dynamic flushing, chemical cleaning, final flushing and removal of chemicals. Addition of passivator chemical and back flushing of AHU, FCU. Addition of corrosion inhibitor and biocide chemical. Question number 33. What is mean by crack units? Answer. Computer room air conditioning. Question number 34. What is the area of rectangular and circular duct formula? Answer. For rectangular ducting, W plus H x2XL, therefore W equals width of duct in meters. H is height of duct in meter and L is length of duct in meters. For area of circular duct, measure the diameter of the round duct across its widest point. Divide the diameter by 2 to get the radius of the duct. Multiply the radius by itself to get the square of the radius. Multiply the square of the radius by 3.14 to get the area of the duct in square inches. Question number 35. What NC rating duct reinforcement to be done? Answer. As per SMACNA it is NC 35. Question number 36. Which ducting mostly used in kitchen fresh air and exhaust application? Answer. SS ducting. Question number 37. AHU fan VFD speed reduces based on? Answer. Static pressure setting. Question number 38. What is mean by RH? Answer. Relative humidity. Question number 39. What is the comfortable relative humidity range? Answer. 50 to 55%. Question number 40. What is dew point temperature? Answer. Dew point temperature is defined as the temperature to which the air would have to cool, at constant pressure and constant water vapor content, in order to reach saturation. Question number 41. How many types of compressor are there? Explain. Answer. Reciprocating compressor. A reciprocating compressor is a compressor that uses pistons driven by a crankshaft. It is used for delivering a small amount of refrigerant at a very high pressure. Centrifugal compressor. Centrifugal compressors have few moving parts, which make them a favorite in the industry. They are also very energy efficient and give a higher refrigerant flow than a similarly sized reciprocating compressor. Centrifugal compressors are more suited to higher volume but low pressure applications. Screw compressor. The screw compressor is almost exactly as it sounds. There are two screws, male and female, in a screw compressor that are fitted together in stationary housing. As the rotors rotate, the gas is compressed by direct volume reduction between the two rotors. Scroll compressor. A scroll compressor actually consists of two scrolls or spirals. One scroll is moving, whereas the second one is fixed, attached to the compressor body. Question number 42. What is called as heart of chillers? Answer. Compressor. Question number 42. What is mean by heat pump used hot water generators? Answer. A heat pump is an electrical device that extracts heat from one place and transfers it to another. Heat pumps transfer heat by circulating a substance called a refrigerant through a cycle of evaporation and condensation. A compressor pumps the refrigerant between two heat exchanger coils. In one coil, the refrigerant is evaporated at low pressure and absorbs heat from its surroundings. The refrigerant is then compressed en route to the other coil, where it condenses at high pressure. At this point, it releases the heat it absorbed earlier in the cycle. Question number 43. What is hot water recommended for bathing? Answer. 40 deg C. Question number 44. What are the eco-friendly refrigerant gas used in HVAC? Answer. R410A, R134A. Question number 45. Why springs are used in the base of chillers? Answer. To reduce the transmission of noise, vibrations from chiller. Question number 46. What is geothermal HVAC technology? Answer. Geothermal systems allow you to maximize your energy efficiency by 4 times the normal HVAC system. These HVAC units use natural renewable energy sources to heat and cool your home. They use the ground's natural heat source to warm your home during the winter. In the summer, a geothermal system pulls heat from the indoors and transfers it to the ground for cooling. Geothermal units are also quiet, dependable and environmentally sustainable. Question number 47. What are new HVAC safety lead credit added in response to COVID-19 by USGBC? Answer. Managing indoor air quality credit. This credit suffice for managing indoor air quality for existing buildings. Question no. 48. How many microns to be holded in refrigerant piping during vacuuming? Answer. 500 microns. Question number 49. What is heat recovery wheel? Answer. A heat recovery thermal wheel, also known as a rotary heat exchanger, is positioned within the supply and exhaust air streams of an air handling system or in the exhaust gases of an industrial process, in order to recover the heat energy. It extracts the cool air from exhaust units and recover the energy into fresh air at the AHU. Question number 50. What should be coil leaving wet bulb temperature? Answer. 12.7 deg C.